You're playing Angry Birds? Huh, Angry Birds? What's that? Ooh. Good.
7 feet 4 inches from the hole. Not an easy putt from down here. It's really kind of 2 putts in one. The first part uphill.
Nice.
You can see the dark color, and then right about there, right
You
where
like
Jerry's
Angry Birds, Lay?
the contour changes. It goes downhill and then down grade. So, judging the speed of this putt, getting this ball the right distance, is going to be very difficult.
Galing ah. Galing ah.
The chip shot was played from yesterday, so they've had a look at how this runs. It's all about controlling the pace.
Ooh.
It's really got to go.
Lay got hiccups. Hiccups. Who got hiccups, Lay? Huh? Who got hiccups?
Get it past the hole. As it goes past, then at least you're putting back uphill.
Mm-hmm.
Leaving it short. You're still facing
Which one you like?
breaking putt to the left.
What's that? Angry Birds again?
Yes.
If he hits a poor putt farther away and a little left
Talo si tita niya, no? Si Laylee marunong maglaro ng Angry Birds. Sabi mo, tita, I can play Angry Birds. Sabi mo, tita, tita. Tama si tita. Hey. You wait. You have to wait. Do it higher. There you go. There you go.
Well, but I'm sure that they're going to be putting from where Jerry Kelly's falling.
Definitely. The tougher and more delicate coming back down. Yep, so he picks up. And now a chance for Price and O'Mara. If they're both to sink it, they could win it.
I say bye-bye na. Bye. You say hi. You say hi. Hi to tita. Hi to tita.